In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can retrieve deleted messages here on WhatsApp on an iPhone. If this guide does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Begin by opening up WhatsApp near the bottom of your screen. Go ahead and select settings. Once you are in settings, what you're going to want to do is scroll down until you see a storage and data option on here. Open up storage and data and then select manage storage up at the very top. And from here, you'll see all your saved chats, any media file, or any messages or data still stored on your device. Scroll through these chats to see if anything you thought was deleted is still available. If it's not, back out, go to the main settings page and select chats. And then from here, go ahead and scroll down until you see the option for chat backup and open it up. Here you can see when your last backup was made. Confirm that your chats are backed up to iCloud. And if the backup was created before the messages were deleted, those messages may still be recoverable. Back out again and go to the export chat option instead and select whatever chat you're trying to export. Select it and then it'll allow you to export it as a zip file where you can either send it to yourself or you can save it to your files and view it from there. Or you can also back out, go to the account tab, select request account info and then hit request account report. It'll tell you when it'll be able to be ready. And when it's ready, come back to here and you'll be able to see all of your account details, message related data, and chat information linked to your WhatsApp account. Just keep in mind, WhatsApp cannot recover messages that were deleted before your last iCloud backup. Your best option is to keep automatic backups enabled, but it really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really just helps us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.